It's that time of year again. Your IT employees are eager to enjoy a little R&R with family and friends. Of course, you want them to enjoy their vacation time, but you also have a business to run, and maintaining your IT staff is crucial to keeping things running smoothly. Utilizing ProServiceIT to supplement your IT staff allows your IT employees to take the time off they very much deserve without sacrificing productivity or taking the huge risks involved in working with a skeleton crew. Maintain productivity, minimize costs, and increase morale. We will use our extensive network of talented IT technicians and assign the perfect professional to step in for a few days, a week, or even a month to ensure your business doesn't miss a step. Let ProServiceIT help your business stay on track during this busy vacation season. For more information and other beneficial service offerings, contact ProServiceIT today at 678-537-6840 or check out our website at ProServiceIT.com.